We've all heard the truths about Tesla's paint systems, so Tesla owners are very concerned about protecting the paint on their vehicles. In this video, I'm going to show you your highest level of protection that you can have done for your Tesla. Here in the shop, we have a 2023 Tesla Model X that received our highest level of protection. I'm going to take a brief moment to walk you through everything we did to this vehicle. For paint protection film, this vehicle received our full body package, which protects all the painted surfaces of the vehicle. Along with PPF, they went with several of our ceramic coating packages. We ceramic coated all the film, all the plastics, all the glass, and we also did the wheel faces as well. But they also went with our wheels off package, where we removed the wheel, we ceramic coat all the barrels of the wheels, and we also ceramic coat the brake calipers as well. All this is done for ease of maintenance. And on the inside, they decided to go with our interior ceramic coating package, which includes all the fabrics, all the leather, all the plastic surfaces. We even ceramic coating her leather purse for her as well. The main reason most Tesla owners do ceramic coat all the interior is for the light colored seats. Ceramic coating is the only product that stops gene transfer, which can permanently damage your seats. And finally, they went with our ceramic tint package, which includes all the glass, including the roof. The reason you want ceramic versus standard window tint, ceramic tint actually provides you with heat rejection and blocks the glare from the sun. So for Tesla owners, that means it helps protect your interior, and it also helps save on the battery life because the car doesn't run as much trying to keep cool. So this is the highest level of protection you can receive for your Tesla. If you're interested or have any questions, please give us a call.